how to block emails in Gmail. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block unwanted emails by creating a filter that automatically deletes messages from a selected email address. First, open Gmail in your web browser. Next, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then click See All Settings. At the top of the page, select the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Now click Create a new filter. In the From field, enter the email address you want to block. For example, if you no longer want to receive emails from someone, simply type their email address into this box. Once you've entered the address, click Create Filter. You'll now see several filter options. To automatically remove future emails from that sender, check the box next to Delete It. You can also choose other actions, such as skip the inbox, archive it, mark as read, never mark it as important, or apply a label, depending on your preference. After selecting your desired action, click Create Filter again to save it. From now on, any new emails from that sender will be handled automatically based on the filter you created. If you ever want to allow emails from that sender again, simply return to Filters and Blocked Addresses and delete the filter. And that's it. You've successfully blocked unwanted emails in Gmail using filters. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Gmail tips and tutorials.